But you have to dare to believe that the vision that you have wasn't a mistake because of where you've been. Stop talking your vision out of hanging with you. Winning. Stop talking your vision out of hanging with you. Your vision is like, it's me and you. We got this. You like, no. It's like, but I can't hang with anybody else. This is just for you. No. You want to put your vision out on the corner? You won't give it a place to live? You don't want to feed it? You don't want to acknowledge that it's yours? You want to treat it like it's a stranger? And it's like, but what I'm supposed to do? Where I'm supposed to go? I was given to you. Why won't you just give me some play? Give me some room. Acknowledge me, own me, say yes to me, so we can get on with it already. So people that are successful, they practice visioning. They accept what comes, they say yes to what comes, and they write it down. So for everybody in here, I know you've heard this many times before, and you're like, I'm going to get to that, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Dr. Nicole, get out my business. I'm going to do that. You have to write it down. Writing it down is an act of telling the universe and the world, you're not playing anymore. You've just said yes to what is yours, and you have an expectation that it is going to come to fruition. And you don't need anybody's approval of it because you know it's yours. So it's kind of like for moms and dads who have babies, right? You don't let anybody tell you that's not yours. You're like, no, this one is mine. This vision is mine. So I will nurture it. I will feed it. I will own it. I will tell other people about it. I will write it. I will make it plain so that other people can get on this bus with me.